What is up, everybody? This is FNH with a brand new video talking about how you can get TikTok plus on your iOS device. So first of all, what you need is App Valley, and if you do not have App Valley installed in your device, I will leave a link in the description below. There'll be a card playing up if possible. Don't know if it happens, and a comment pinned for you guys to be able to get App Valley. Now, if you have App Valley, screw that. You can continue right into it. All you need to do is either search it in the bottom right corner, or essentially just find it in the tweak apps and just find TikTok plus. I believe iOS Ninja has this as well, but don't hold me to that. I'm doing it through App Valley. So it's essentially there. It tells you like all the previews, what you're allowed to do basically. So you have media enhancements. You're able to like download all the videos. You can disable the video loop, the auto loop, and all that other good stuff. I believe you can save the pictures as well without the copyright, and the videos, I should say, without copyright, with the basically there's TikTok logo popping up. So you can have that. So once you have it downloaded, you can basically have it open up, and then you have your good stuff off TikTok over there showing up. I don't want to watch this stuff. I hate TikTok. Anyways, but yeah, basically that's how you can get TikTok downloaded and installed on your device. And again, these are just some of the features which you can do. There's a few other items that can work. It's about like 100 plus megabytes, and you can essentially have it there. You can see there's enhancements of autoplay next TikTok, confirm double tap to like, all that other good stuff. And it has like a few other things that might not be mentioned here, which you can probably get as well. So yes, this is how you can get TikTok plus on your iOS device. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. Overall, if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.